Max Bounty really a great way to make money, or is it just a waste of time? Well, in this review, I will provide you with all the details from its legitimacies to the strategies on finding the best products to promote. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear picture on this that will help you to decide whether it's a right fit for you or not. Now you might have heard that Max Bounty is considered one of the top CPA networks, but is it really? Yes, due to some reason it stand out in the industry. Firstly, they offers wide range of high converting campaigns across various niche like finance, health, gaming and more, and also giving affiliates a wider opportunity to find the campaigns that resonates with their audience. Secondly, their tracking technology, commitment to timely payments and excellent support process by affiliate managers. So by combining all of this, it's become trusted by all the affiliates. And you can also partner with big companies to promote their product and services and earn commission for each sales or lead you generate. Next, you might be thinking whether you should join this CPA network or not. Then absolutely you should join it. If you are new to affiliate marketing or don't have much experience, then signing up on this platform is a lengthy process. But at the same time, it is very easy and super straightforward so that you can start promoting your offers in no time. Plus, once you are in, you will be assigned by your own affiliate manager. They will be like your personal guide that will help you on every step of the way, whether you are setting up your first campaign or looking to optimize your earnings. So even if you are a newbie, you will be supported and empowered to start making money. Also, you will have access to thousands of high converting campaigns across various niche that are ready for you to promote and start earning commission. Additionally, you will get paid on weekly basis. You can even earn bonuses based on your performance. And if you are an affiliate, then you can join this platform from across the world. Now, when it comes to picking the best campaigns as an affiliate, it's important to focus on two factors: the EPC rate and the commission rate. While the EPC rate and the commission percentage vary based on the advertisers and offers, but I still look for the offers on EPC rate that was ranging between few cents to $7 per click. Then there is a commission rate based on payout models, CPS, cost per sale, and CPL, cost per lead. For CPS offers, you can earn commission for each sale you generate through the referral link with the potential earning range from 20% to 75% or more of the sales. For CPL offer, you can earn commission from each lead you generate, such as form submissions, registration, with a potential earning from few cents to $7. So by analyzing these factors, you can choose a campaign with the best potential for profitability and success. So let's check out some campaigns that you should consider promoting. One of them is eSaver Watt Energy. This campaign helps you to save on utility bills and reduce your consumption energy. And who don't want to save some extra money? I think everybody does. So by promoting this offer, you will get $48, which is very rewarding. Now let's discuss some important terms that first is allowed traffic type. So they don't allow email traffic, but you can use to do in contextual, social media like Facebook, Instagram, mobile ads. So there are plenty of different ways to advertise. Daily cap is another term to understand. So this means that how many sales you can send of this product a day. So in this case, you can sell as much as you want. There is more important terms to understand like allowed devices, network EPC, and which country accepts sales. So this offers only accept US traffic. And that's it for this campaign. So you can also find out this kind of offers to promote based on these important terms. But wait, the best part of this platform is that when you sign up in this platform, it will assign your own affiliate managers, which plays a very crucial role in your affiliate marketing journey. This partner is like having your trusted partner by your side, whether you are a beginner or an experienced affiliate. Then these managers are here to guide you, answer your questions, and help you to succeed in your affiliate marketing journey. They provide you personalized support, offer valuable insights, and even help you to optimize your campaigns for maximum result. With their expertise and assistance, you can easily handle the complexities of affiliate marketing with confidence, which will help you to achieve your goals more efficiently. Now, when it comes to its transparency and trustworthiness as an affiliate, it will provide you with the ability to create a unique tracking link for your campaigns. Once you select the offers, you can easily generate your own tracking link and incorporate it into various platforms such as websites, email, social media platforms, and more. And when someone clicks on that link and takes some desired action, then this tracking link records that activity and give you a tracking dashboard that will provide you insight into clicks, conversions, and earnings. Moreover, its approval process also adds another layer of trust and integrity to this platform. Before promoting any offer, affiliate must have to take approval from the advertiser themselves. This shows that only legitimate and high quality of product and services are being promoted. This process is not only build confidence among affiliates, but also enhances the trust between affiliates, advertisers, and the platform itself. If you are looking for a platform that is not only easy but also totally trustworthy, then this platform is a perfect option for you. And last, its threshold payout and its payment method is very straightforward. So you will have to receive a certain amount from campaigns you promote before you withdraw your earnings. At initial stage, you will receive your earnings on monthly basis, especially on 15th day of each month, but only if you reach on minimum threshold payout of $100. And after you make your first withdrawal, then it will start paying you on regular schedules, weekly or bi-weekly basis. It also provides various payment options, so you can choose via PayPal if you want immediate access to funds. If you prefer traditional method, then you can opt for check or a bank transfer. But remember that the payment options are only depend on the country you live in, so don't expect that all the payment options to be available. And that's an wrap up on my review. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.